Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm just going to be showing you how I go about deadheading my trailing begonias. As you can see here, I've already deadheaded some. These are the ones you want, the seed pods. So what I do is just have a quick walk around. Like I said, I've done most of this already. Here we go, this is one here, as you can see. You just want to take that off and then it will put more energy into the main flower. So you have one there as well. The larger one here, you really don't want to be letting them get that big. Really need to be pinched out before then. So just a quick scan round. As you can see, a lot of them have like two there, one there, one on the other side. Come back around here. Yeah, this just makes your plants, it puts a lot more energy into the remaining flowers. By getting rid on there. I think that's a big one there, yeah. Like I said, this has not been done for several weeks, which is my fault. Should have been done a lot quicker. Yeah, look at these, they're absolutely gorgeous. Deadhead regularly, and you get better, bigger flowers on your main ones. So just have a quick look around here. Yeah, one there, one there, couple here, there, and there. Might even prune this back because it's starting to catch onto the floor. This, so prune it back, I'll just probably take it up to here, and that'll give a lot better look. Less slugs and snails getting on there as well. So yeah, a quick walk around. With your begonias as well, when you're deadheading, you want to check inside when they're this densely planted. I would check inside, make sure nothing, no flowers have dropped down into the middle, because then they can rot and cause your stems to rot. So you can think everything's okay, and then suddenly one of your plants goes over and there's nothing you can do about it because it's your fault you've let it get like that. So yeah, I just pull it back like so. Walk inside, there's no flowers that have dropped down there. You can see there's a leaf in there, dead leaf. This is what I'm talking about. Stuff like this need to be checked regularly. It's nice having it planted so close together, but this is stuff you do have to watch out for. I only did this the other day and I'm going to do it again. It's worth it. Oh yeah, there's one there, deadheaded nicely. Walk around. Let's have a look at this. Just spread it out a little bit. Any yellow leaves like so, take off. Just a precautionary thing, because they're going to die anyway though, so you don't want them dying and dropping. Look, one there. Around here like so. These yellows, I love these yellows, absolutely gorgeous. Another one there, see it there. Another one there. I know it's a tedious job, but your flowers will look a lot better and you get much fuller and much bigger flowers by deadheading regularly. If you've got any questions on begonias, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like the videos, please subscribe. Remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep yourself safe. Thank you, bye.